Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a simple, delicious roasted butternut squash and grilled avocado. So I'm just using a bag of frozen cubed butternut squash that I had on hand. It's supposed to be steamed, but I decided I was going to roast it instead because I wanted to have that flavor that you get from roasting vegetables. And sometimes when you steam vegetables, they come out a little bit soggy, so I wanted that crispy texture, so that's what we're going to do today. So I've already opened the bag and spread everything out on a baking sheet, and these are the seasonings that I'm going to be using. The only thing that I wish I had was some rosemary, but I ran out, so I don't have any of that. But you can pretty much make this your own. There's really no rhyme or reason to this. I just pulled out some of my favorite seasonings to add to the butternut squash. And then I'm going to go ahead and add just a little tiny bit of extra virgin olive oil to the top. That'll help it prevent from drying out and give it a little extra flavor and satisfaction as well. And then I'll pop it into the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes on 425. And I like to use the timer so that I don't get, distracted doing something else, and make sure it turns out right. But about 5 minutes before, definitely check it to see if it needs that last 5 minutes or if it's ready to come out. Then I'm gonna broil it for about 5 minutes on high so it'll get even a little bit more extra crispy on top. Now, grilling the avocado, this is my first time grilling avocado, but it's really, it's a good way to eat warm avocado, and it's really pretty too. So you don't really need to do much. Just make sure you oil your grill pan a little bit, and then go ahead and scoop it out and put it right on there. You're gonna do it on medium high to high heat, and you only need about 5 minutes. So just hang out there and watch it, and after about 5 minutes you'll be able to scoop it out and plate it, and it'll come out really pretty and tasty. You can add some additional seasoning to the top of that. Not adding salt today, but I did add a little bit of nutritional yeast and a little bit of lemon, which is really delicious. It helps to bring out the flavor of everything that you see here. But yeah, this is pretty tasty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are doing well. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.